Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the QR image into the project. Import a clear PNG or JPG at 1080px so it reads on camera. Once done, create a new Videostar project and add your base footage or background. Then import the QR image as a separate media layer. This lets you move and edit it independently. Make sure the QR layer sits above other elements so it remains scannable. This step is fast but crucial because a poor quality import breaks the scannability. Now you position and scale the QR so phones can read it. Use transform controls to set size, aim for at least 10% of frame width, and avoid extreme rotation or perspective that distorts squares. For visibility, keep opacity at 100% and choose a background contrast. If needed, add a subtle border behind the QR to separate it from busy footage. If you animate, add smooth keyframes so the code doesn't blur. Sharp, steady frames are what enable reliable scanning. Finish by exporting at the original project resolution and a standard frame rate so the QR remains crisp. Once exported, immediately test the video on several phones and QR apps to confirm it scans across devices. If scanning fails, don't panic. Reopen the project, replace the image with a higher resolution QR, increase contrast, or add a solid border, then re-export. That troubleshooting loop fixes most issues because scannability is about resolution, contrast, and steady presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.